Hello guys, welcome in my YouTube channel My Learnings. Today I am going to share with you about project engineer. Whatever I have learned as a project engineer, I will explain it today. So, objective. First I will explain project engineer's objective. Second, its job description. Okay guys, let's begin. So objective of a project engineer is recognizing, initiating and completing the project within the timeline in a minimum budget such that the project achieve good quality and beauty, and also it smooth operation and increase profitability of the organization. So guys, this is a basic objective of a project engineer. Guys, if you want to understand more about the vocabulary whatever I have used in this definition, please do comment in a comment box. Okay, I'm repeating. Recognizing, initiating and completing the project within the timeline in a minimum budget such that the project achieve good quality and beauty, and also smooth operation and increase profitability of any organization. So this is the objective of a project engineer. I will explain you job description of a project engineer step by step. Friends, throughout my experience I did lot of works, but here in my presentation I have arranged all the works in a sequence, so it will be better for you to understand the job description of a project engineer. So let's start with the first job description. Guys, before going to start, let me explain you that whatever the words I have highlighted or underlined, those are very important and those words you need to understand must. So okay guys, let's begin. So first job description, or we can say first step of a project engineer in any company or in any plant is a recognizing and initiating the project to upgrade the company facilities. So guys, here recognizing means to identify, to find out, and initiating means to get start something. Okay, so first job description is a recognizing and initiating the project to upgrade the company facility, right? Second, finding the best service provider, supplier and vendor after market analysis. So guys, when you have completed first step, then you have to go for second step. Second step is a finding best service provider, supplier, vendor after market analysis. Your third step will be getting the project work proposal. So in a proposal, what you will ask to the supplier? You will ask about quotation, design, layout, etc. Okay, your fourth step will be understanding and getting and correct the design of a project, so design best meets and suits with our company facilities. Your fourth step will be whatever the quotation, whatever the design, whatever the layout you will get from the vendor. Okay, so what you will do, you will just check it, analyze it, cross check it, and if there is any kind of mistake, then what you will do, you will just correct that. And guys, once your project is being defined, then what you will do to get complete that project, you will ask quotation to various suppliers. Okay, what after you do, your fifth step will be apply here, that you will prepare comparison of a quotation. Okay, then you will liaising means to speak, okay, to coordinate and negotiating with the supplier. So after taking a quotation from various supplier, you will just coordinate with the supplier and try to negotiate with the supplier. Your sixth step will be, after negotiating, after comparison, your sixth step will be finalizing the vendor whose service meets with our project budget, quality standards, timeline, payment terms, etc. So this is very important, guys, that whatever supplier we are going to choose, we are going to select, that supplier must follow, must meet with our timeline, our company's timeline, our company's payment terms, etc. Okay. After that, your seventh step will be opening a business partner code, making a capex, opex, PO, payment batch, item issue slip, etc. using ERP software. Friends, lot of companies use a information management system. Okay, for information system they have ERP software, CRM software, SAP software. So in that software we have to create a business partner code, making a capex, we have to make a capex, we have to make a opex. Guys, for further explanation of a capex, opex, please do comment in a comment box. After that, after making this kind of things in the ERP software, your eighth step will be planning, scheduling upcoming project after coordination with vendor and project team. Okay guys, here vendor means also a supplier. So after making capex and opex and after opening the business code, what you will have to do, you will have to coordinate with the supplier and also with your project team, and you have to make a plan and schedule to complete the project. After it, your ninth step will be monitoring and regulating ongoing projects and update project status to project head. Okay, so for new project, as you have seen, you have to plan and schedule, okay, for new project. And for ongoing project, what you have to do, you have to monitor and regulate the ongoing projects. Okay, so after that, your 10th step will be finding out efficient and standard equipment for completing the project and get accomplish the project work. Friends, this is very important to get done the project within the timeline. So we have to find out the efficient and standard tools and equipments and etc. Okay, so such that we can accomplish our project before or within the timeline. After that, after completing the project, what you have to do, your 11th step will be testing and validating the projects after accomplishment and hand over complete ready project file to maintenance department. So it means, as if you have installed any kind of machineries, okay, so after installation, it means your project is done. As you have installed the machine, your project is done. So after that, what you will do, you will just test the machines and validate it. Okay, validate this machineries such that this machine is now able to be used by the operation department, right? And also what you will do, you will make a project file in which all the documents related to that machineries, for example installation services, terms and services and terms, okay, installation guidelines and maintenance checklist, etc. documents which will be have in the that project file. Okay, so that project file you will just give to maintenance department after testing and validating. After that, guys, your 12th and last step as a project engineer will be just auditing the bill of a project which you will get from the supplier. So auditing bill of project work done by our vendor and get done its service payment. So you will audit the bills, okay, that as it suits, as it match with the items whatever we have purchased, okay. So you will just audit that bill, and what your responsibility will be to get done the payment of the service provider. So this is everything about project engineer. There is a further different work the company gives to a project engineer, but it goes above the higher authorities, okay. And we will also discuss about those different tasks which have been given to the project engineer in our next video or upcoming video whenever I will make, okay. So for this class, from my side this is done, okay guys. See you in the next video. Thanks and keep learning.